Getting out of the comfort zone. Do we love this term? Do we hate this term? Should we get rid of it or change it to something else? I really want to know from you. I want to hear from you because I run what people consider to be out of the comfort zone sessions, what I consider to be out of the comfort zone sessions for all different kinds of people, from the most serious lawyers, business people, accountants, to marketing people, to software engineers, to all kinds of people. And I think people love when you get to this out of the comfort zone place that's extremely playful and fun. But I noticed that sometimes people have these really weird reactions to this term, getting out of the comfort zone. So I'd love to hear from you. Do you see the value in this term? Do you think it's counterproductive? Should we change it to something else? Please give me your honest feedback in the comments. This would be extremely valuable for me. Thank you.